videohan nyo po sila. So this is the office supplies account. So okay, kailan ba kayo nag-purchase? So, kung nag-purchase kayo ng this date, so April 23, ano yung pinurchase niyo? So nag-purchase ako ng toner. So I purchased toners for 5 pieces sa Amazon. Siyempre, when I purchased from Amazon, so I also consulted or get quotations from different suppliers. I checked with Jaril, the price is the same or higher or lower. So makikita natin yan. If the supplier provides a cheaper price, magandang presyo, mababa, magandang quality, same brand, siyempre pag kayo kumuha ng quotation, kailangan same brand. Hindi pwedeng, iba yung brand na yung global niya. Siyempre pag iba, the price will change. Pag ibang brand ang ginamit o ibang specs, kailangan pag quotation, it should be the same brand.